You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're highly welcome.
Thank you.
No.
Hey, congratulations.
Thank you, my dear.
I'm so happy for you.
Thank you. My sister, I am so happy now.
Oh,
the case was too much.
Oh.
From case of Singapore down to this place, straight to police station.
Yeah.
My sister, the troubles he went through at the police station before they were able to release him, I cannot describe it.
Oh.
It was as if my brain will burst.
Child.
But I thank God for his mercy.
Oh.
Thank God, this my God. God is wonderful.
God, thank you.
So merciful.
But remember, I told you that with faith, all things are possible.
Honestly, you said it. Today it is happening. At least my son is back. He's now with me. My children are all around me.
Yeah.
I am celebrating it.
Yes, so.
No matter the circumstances, no matter whatever,
exactly.
I am happy.
Good. So where is he now?
He's inside.
Can I go and see him?
Oh, in Ajun kitchen. Let's go.
Mommy, what is Obuna saying? That the wedding will still hold? What is he saying? What is this?
My daughter, you heard him. I am surprised as well.
Chuks is in the hospital with broken legs and broken ribs, and he's still with that woman, the love of his life.
Sister, but brother said the other woman has gone away. And you also said that it's just bandage and crutches that you guys can still wed as long as he's present in the church.
Are you listening to yourself? I know, how is this sound? Bandage and crutches, you will be matching.
It's what brother said. I'm only quoting.
No, but quotation. What is this? What is... How can anybody in their sane mind be talking about wedding? Me and Chuks together, getting married. How? I cannot even let him touch. His skin cannot even touch my skin now. He cannot pass me. I cannot even smell him. After all the disgrace, the humiliation, the embarrassment, what did they used to do to somebody that Chuks has not done to me? Mommy? Why are you not saying anything?
What do you want me to say?
Yay. My head is full. Let me go and sleep. You push let me and sit now. You are just quiet.
Hello, Mama. Good evening.
Hello. Nana.
Mama, I don't know what is going on. No, there's confusion everywhere.
Confusion? What happened? Please, can you explain to me?
Mama, bro, Chukwuka is in the hospital now.
Hospital? What happened? Have you seen him?
Yes, Mama, I'm with him now. He's asleep. He has wounds all over his body.
Wound? What happened? Talk to me.
Mama, it's a long story.
Long story? What? Oh, no, please. Can you please cut it short for me?
Okay, before, they told us it was an accident. Oh, that's what they said. Later, we found out that they beat him up.
They beat him up? Who beat my son up? Who beat him up?
They said it was one girl he's supposed to get married to.
Is it Ifoma?
Mama, no. Mama, what actually happened is Brother Chukwuka dropped Ifoma. And he wanted to marry one girl like that. They said she's a rich man's daughter. So I think the girl found out that Prachukuka is already getting married. She became angry and she sent dogs to beat him up.
Hey. Why is Chukwuka behaving like this? Huh? How can he do a thing like that? He's always doing something like this. Huh? What kind of a thing is this? Huh? Why is Chukwuka like this? Huh? Why Chukwuka like doing things like this? Why is he always doing things like this? How can he marry a girl he doesn't even know? Huh? He don't even know if he's a witch or Mami Water.
Mama, this story is not funny at all. Mama, it's not a funny story.
Izuku. Hey, Chineke. What do I do? What kind of temptation is this? What kind of temptation is this? Eh, Kunifa. Eh? Oh, shit. What do I do? What do I do now? Eh? Oh, Nana, please take care of him, okay? Take care of him.
You left me, or maybe I am dreaming, or you under a spell.
Obonna, please, I don't know what you're up to, but let me just tell you, let me state it to you very clearly. I will have nothing to do with a man who treats me badly. I keep asking you, what is the plan? You say, I have a plan, you don't want to explain it to me. So, if you're not going to tell me, keep it to yourself and just keep me out of it. Please, I'm begging you. I will have nothing to do with a man that treats me very, very badly. No, I keep asking you what is the plan. You say, I have a plan, I have a plan, I have a plan. You don't want to explain it to me. So keep it to yourself and keep me out of it. Okay?
Little sister, the Okwaku. And all the Okwaku. And Okwaku. So yeah, I won't be
I'm serious.
Listen, you know I will not do anything to undermine your happiness. You know, right? You're my kid sister.
Okay. Why do you want me to marry someone in crutches? A man who has publicly disgraced me. Someone who has openly said he does not love me, we are not meant to be together. Why?
Okay, to start with, it is only a handful of people that know about the cancellation of the wedding. Others hear rumor, and whatever we tell them now is the truth. Secondly, as a man, I know that Chooks acted on the impulse of seeing big money, not act of love. Deep down, I'm very sure, deep down Chooks' mind, he still loves you. Yeah, but the prospect of getting into big money through that babe got better part of him. Where is the lie? Did I lie?
Impulse, purpose, nothing concerns me. I have deleted him from my heart.
Little sis, calm down, like I said. I'm sure you have seen me with Barrister Naga severally. Meaning he's gathering some materials. Alright? And when something, on way shape, I will bring you into it. Hey, Chus cannot just disgrace our family and go scot-free. It's not possible. He can't just treat us like and go scot-free. Nah, in Singapore, we sing and pour and do things to the core. Don't worry. Do too. Alright? Go inside the house, take a glass of water, chill. I'll see you.
So what now?
You left me, or maybe I am dreaming, or you under a spell. 'Cause I market go buy, who buy market go pay, and who pay must to collect. Collect and what do. Sumo pursue for jungle. You deal with me, they struggle. When other guys they hustle, we go play like Royal Rumble. I'm back from Singapore, where we they play with the Singapore. We told my niggas over there, we they do things in the car. So make you know they wanna.
How you did, huh?
I'm fine.
That is what I expected to hear. Because your wedding is scheduled to be this Saturday.
My wedding?
Did you not schedule a wedding for Saturday or say my wedding? No, my own wedding.
Yes, I did, but as you can see,
No wahala. See, it is good to have people around you who mean well. Otherwise, as you dey, I tell you, say you be smally. Smally wey know if you solve small puzzle for jungle, you come out, they follow me, they struggle. Another person for play you like Royal Rumble, but because I be your in-law, I turn to Agadabachi. Jennifer and the father's friends concluded that the only way to wipe the shame away from her for what you did to her is to eliminate you from the surface of this planet Earth.
What?
A while ago. But because I am your in-law, you know, Mbachi, condemned criminal that was discharged and acquitted in Singapore, where we Singapore and do things to the core. And when I'm on Gabasi now, you already know the little I can do. The fire where you see burn you small. Your name na Lucky Joe and Lucky Rimusele. But at the same time, the only criteria will make me do this thing what I do is say, see the wedding between you and my sister. According to planned, one day you go hold. You will marry my sister. Otherwise, as I talk, so it be. Any objection? See you now. We dey try play smart sometimes, even when our names no be smart. And finally, we will end up lie on the mat.
Just lebane just zibo. Mapotaze kokukibo. Chaba kanzepeze ya kopusi efibo. Them they try to play smart, even when the name no be this man. But after all the mother booty, they go still come life for the mat. And they man has a body shot. The guy could be young number. And they boom on way as far as you know one is maybe you get TV. Flash you get DVD. Let's say your tape or man watch you get a big TV. You must collect. You must collect. You must collect.
Cheers.
Mike.
Hello.
Yeah.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Fine.
Chicks, I met this Wona guy outside. What did he come here to do?
The wedding we hold as planned.
What? Chicks, what wedding? How is that possible in this your condition?
I'll be fine.
Chooks, what is going on? Did he threaten you?
No. He's saving me from Jennifer.
How do you mean?
Jennifer is planning to kill me. Nea has promised to protect me if only I go on with the wedding as planned with Ifoma.
This whole thing is just complicated.
I've accepted to go with the wedding in order to save my life.
Choose.
They try to play smart, even when the name no be this man. But after all the mother.
Please. This is my life and happiness that we are talking about here. I've told you this thing so many times. I do not want to marry Chooks. I do not want to live with a man that can abandon me in such a terrible way. I'm not that desperate. I will not be pushed into desperation to get married.
Little Sis, I am with you on this one. You will not marry Chooks. But the wedding will hold.
And what are you saying? I want to marry him, but the wedding will hold.
Let me break it down. Chooks did what he did to our family because he felt no one would ask him anything. Yeah, like he fears no one. He felt no one is in the family to stop him from all the nonsense. Well, hey, I am back to prove him wrong. You will marry him. You will wed him. But immediately after the wedding, you will divorce him. So that the shame will be his. And yet then you're putting
But why? Why do you have to go to that extent when we can just end it now that you have ruined his relationship with that woman?
Yes.
Mom, is not enough now. Huh? Who price? Go buy. Who buy? Go pay. Choose priced now. He has to buy. And he priced the neighbor expensive. So I get Lebiani expensively. Alright? In fact, nobody should come into my family, mess with us, try to destroy the image of this family, and just go scot-free. It doesn't work. It does not work. Listen. Little Sis, the stigma of who was dropped days before the wedding can never be for you. Other possible. Alright? Me, why am I here? Why? Chooks felt there was no man. Ochefo Nanje Singapore. And in Singapore will sing and pour and do things to the core. Choose we know no gonoga brona nwame togo. Emane ebuse blata osari adin ubi. Right? So, sis, buy relaxer. Relax. Listen, after the wedding, you do not even need to look for another man. Why? I have made money now. Up and me Pentecost. And from all indications, we'll go make a new network of guys. Tall, handsome, slim, black, and combination of fabric. Money in the bank, money in the pocket, money in the trunk. Those who will be dying to even have your hand in marriage. Your brother gallant like a soldier. Choose. Who is choose? Have you heard people say, in Chuk's name we pray, amen? Is he Deputy Jesus? Onyajiki enigwe. In our baka kitty about Chuks. Chuks and wear a shoe if only you slippers in spiritual realm. Relax. Listen, after the wedding, I'll pump money. Publicize both the wedding and the divorce. People will hear our story. Alright? People will hear, and after that, hello, relax. One lady, okay. Heat MNA Atanaro, Napamike Pentecost. Ne, Jamie, I just become far away. My, I just go to another man. Come, who's Jerry? The receipts. Be good. Oh, all right.
I don't know. This is crazy. I don't know.
You must collect. Just lebane just zibo mapotaze kokukibo chaba kanzepeze ya kopusi efibo. They try to play smart even when the name no be this man.
Hello. Mama, good evening, ma'am.
No. I can hear you.
Brachuka said I should tell you to continue with the plans that he sent you money for before.
Which money? The money that I have already used in my farm work. Which one again?
Mama. Okay, I'll tell him to send you another money.
For what now? But you said he's not feeling fine. He has broken legs and hands.
Mama, he said he will be fine before then.
Before then what? How is he going to cope? Tell me.
Mama, it's not everything I can explain. He just said you should get ready. He'll be well before then. That's what he told me.
Oh, he will be well before then. Nana, I don't understand anymore. What is going on? Please, can you explain to me?
Mama, just continue with the wedding plans like nothing happened. I'll tell Brachuka to send you another money. Mama, please, Mama, don't allow that pest Ikekwe to come. Don't allow him come with you. Insist he doesn't come because he will come here and constitute a nuisance and we don't want that.
It's okay. I have heard you.
Alright, Mama, let me go. Let me see how Uncle Chuka is doing.
What is all this? Someone that is in the hospital is still planning for wedding. What is this?
The view. This is it.
Wonderful.
Yes, so.
Yes.
DPO.
Welcome.
So this is it.
Wonderful.
A carton of wine and then a card to invite you for my kid sister's wedding.
Wonderful.
Yeah. Well, I came to show my profound gratitude for all you have done for me, for all your intervention, even though we had bara buru pots.
We settled all that. It's only normal. I was doing my job. Yes.
So in Singapore, we Singapore and do things to the core. I don't need to ask LG if life is good.
This is a new one. Are you a musician?
Well, so I have come to show appreciation. Thank you. And also to invite you for the wedding.
That's all right. Yeah. That's all right. I really appreciate this.
Yes.
After the whole hula balu, the whole confusion, we started this whole thing with a lot of trouble, confusion. We thought it was all over. But it came to a happy ending.
Well, it can be all over because we are not leftovers and pushovers.
That's another one.
You know, we disagree to agree. And if we get to a certain degree, we will become the people of pedigree.
Oh, I'm enjoying all this. I did not know that you were such a great man. That means you must be a great ambassador of this country, whatever, in that Singapore.
Yeah.
Oh, wonderful.
Singapore will Singapore and do things to the core.
I can see.
Of course.
I can see.
So anywhere we go, we represent.
Yes.
Equal one, equal two. That's why people look at you.
Wonderful. I really appreciate this gesture.
Yes.
And I want to reciprocate it.
Wow.
Yes. On that very day, and this wedding day, I'm going to do something that I have not done before.
Ooh. Yes. Ooh.
I will provide free security.
Wow.
You have more than 10 of my men.
Wow.
Parading the whole of that place from beginning of that wedding to the end.
Listen, I went to Singapore where we Singapore and do things to the core. Ejimego. I made money. Every week thing costs. New Testament money. My boy DVD. I figured a big TV. Don't worry, sir. Thank you, DV. If there's anything money can solve, bring me.
That's all right. That's all right. Well done, eh? Ha! Obona. I like strong men like this. Strong men with something. If you're strong with nothing, you are a tout. You are Agbero. And when you're strong and then you have something, you are my friend. Sergeant, no, it's not a sergeant matter. All these boys are criminals. When they see this one now, they won't know when the whole thing has disappeared. It's a nice day. Very nice day. Let me take fresh breath, fresh air out there. Wonderful, wonderful.
Ifeoma, I want you to forgive me. Okay? Find a place in your heart to forgive me. Your brother assured me that you have forgiven me. I believed him. Yet, you haven't forgiven me. for the sake of the years we've been together, for all we have been through. Please, I beg you, baby. Forgive me.
So, by the way, how did you find me?
Jenny, there's a popular saying that when there is a will, there is always a way. I'm going to rephrase it. Where there is love, there will always be a way.
Quite interesting. So what do you want?
Jenny, I've come to see that man that's made you treat me like trash.
Have I?
Did you just ask me that? You and I know you've been treating me like trash. You remember the last time we spoke? What did you do? You accused me of kidnapping and being a felon. Come on.
Listen, about that, I must apologize. There was a mix-up somewhere. Alright? I'm sorry about that.
It's okay. But you see, Jenny, for close to 1 year now, I've been trying to woo you and win your heart. But all to no avail. Out of the blues, you met a man, within days, you were head over heels for him, and even talking marriage. Jenny, that got me curious. I mean, it got me dumbfounded. And I asked, Femi, who is this ideal man? Maybe I'll take a leave from him for my future relationship. No hard feelings, just exploration of the human feeling, that's all.
There is no man.
What?
Yeah, there is no man. I mean...
You trying to pull my leg or something?
No, I'm not. Honestly, I mean, if there was a man, you see the man here. But I'm here drinking alone. And I'm not expecting anyone. So, there is no man.
You mean you practically wanted to scare me away with that fabricated tale of a one-time lover?
I'm telling you for a fact. There is no boyfriend, there is no lover, there is no husband to be. I said all that to ward off guys, you know, so I can concentrate on my father's inheritance and make something big out of them.
Jenny, from your heart, tell me, what do you find unattractive about me?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Mm-hmm.
Yet you treat me with levity.
You've also not done well. You've not done your part well. Yeah, I mean, since we've been talking, this is like the first time you're coming this close to me. You've never shown me any form of love. You don't buy me gifts. I mean, as a man, you should know how to send out gifts to a woman. We all deserve it. I mean, now that you have come close, you've seen me, and I believe you should know what to do. Huh?
Women and good things of life. You just cooled me now. That means I've not been current. I don't know what it takes to get a woman's heart.
Now you're updated.
Quite interesting.
Yeah.
No wonder they say music be the food of love. Play on. Jenny.
Nice meeting you again.
It's a pleasure. I mean, there's a new beginning if you ask me.
Okay. I'll take that as okay.
You look stunning.
As always. Let's cheers to a new beginning then.
To us. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Wow. I'm glad.
So tell me, how's it been doing?
Well, it's not been too good without you, if you ask me.
I don't know. Yeah, I actually ordered for food and I don't know why it's taking so long.
Hey. Yes. Your food is ready. And then once you're done, let me know so that I can come and clear the plates. Since you cannot clear it by yourself, I'll be in my room.
Are you not joining me?
Even when the name not be this man. But after all the mother they can still on life for the mat. And they man now about the shop. The guy could be a number. And they boom on way as far as you know one they think maybe you get TV. Shaggy DVD.
When is all this going to end? Just what have I gotten myself into?
You must collect. We run things here. You must collect. I just came back from Singapore, baby. You must collect. You must collect. You must collect. Who price market go buy? Who buy market go pay, and who pay must to collect. Collect and what do. Sumo boss for jungle. You deal with me, they struggle. When other guys they hustle, we go play like Royal Rumble. I'm back from Singapore, where we they play with the Singapore. We told my niggas over there, we they do things to the core. So make you know they wanna don't mess with a nigga like me. And if you stepping on my toes, you are doomed. You must collect. If you must collect. You must collect. If you must collect. We run these. You must collect. I just came back from Singapore, baby. If you must collect. You must collect. If you must collect. Ego di mwele na dazibo Jesi lebane jese zibo Mapotaze koku kibo Chaba kanse peze ya kopusi efibo Them they try to play smart Even when the name no be this man But after all the bother booty They go still come like
Hey. Ify, I want you to remember our good old days. The good times we had together. I had no other girlfriend. I never cheated on you. My life revolved around you. If you were going to treat me like this, then why did you accept to wed me? Why? Because I don't understand.
It is the same way I don't understand why you threw away years of commitment overnight because you met a rich lady. And when will you explain it?
We've talked about this.
Crocodile tears.
We've talked about this. And I made it clear to you that it was the devil. Alright, it was the devil.
Kind of seems like I'm talking to the devil right now.
Come on, if you cannot say things like that. Alright? Oh, you cannot be talking to the devil.
Get behind me, Satan.
Who price market go buy, who buy market go pay, and who pay must to collect. Collect and what do. Sumo boss for jungle. You deal with me, they struggle. When other guys they hustle, we go play like Royal Rumble. I'm back from Singapore, where we they play with the Singapore. We told my niggas over there, we they do things to the core. So make you know they wanna don't mess with a nigga like me. And if you stepping on my toes, you are doomed. You must collect. If you must collect. You must collect. If you must collect. We run these. You must collect. I just came back from Singapore, baby. If you
hello, Afan. What's up?
Yo, barrister. Listen, you have to hasten this action. Right? My sister is no longer comfortable. Even me, I need to fall back to base. 3 months after the wedding and nothing has been done.
Man, it's all this tribunal case stuff all over, here and there. But I would try and see how I can get this whole thing off my hook because I've been so engaged. I think it's all over now, so we can actually proceed with your sister's case.
Alright, so what next?
I would love to really see your sister. That would really help because it will help me refresh my memory and as well get more details about their lives to enable me compile the divorce papers enough to hasten the thing just as you want. If that's really what you want, then fine, yeah.
All right, I will let Ifeoma know immediately.
No. Tomorrow, no. Let's just make it weekend, precisely Saturday, because tomorrow I have a serious land court case.
So, did you get the money I sent?
Oh, yes, I did. Thank you very much. I got that lot. Thank you. I appreciate that. I'll go.
All right then. Bye, Barrister.
Egodi nwele na dasi Igbo Jesi leba na ejese Igbo Mapotaze kokuki Igbo Chaba ka nzepeze ya kobusi efi Igbo Them they try to play smart Even when the name no be this smart But after all the bother budi They go still come life for the mat Ade man naza body short The guy who could be young number Ade boom mong webu As far as you know one it's guy Maybe you get TV Sasha get DVD Let's say your table on my watch I get a big TV you must collect you must collect you must collect we run things here you must collect I just came back from Singapore baby you must collect you must collect you must collect
You sure want to get me drunk?
Why should I want to get you drunk? Of course I want to do that. Jenny.
Yes, dear.
What is this rumor making the rounds?
What rumor?
The police oddly posted to my daddy's company was telling us about a story of something that happened in their station. That a lady who was engaged to marry one gold digger like that, unknowingly to her, the gold digger was planning to marry another girl. Lo and behold, the other girl's brother came back from abroad and kidnapped the gold digger. And that was how the cookie crumbled.
And what about the story?
The policeman said, the lady's you.
Me?
And he described the drama you pulled up at the station.
So is this oddly of yours there to work or gossip?
Not to gossip. Jenny was not employed to gossip. He didn't even know you and I had anything together. Jenny, what's going on?
Well, life happens. Is that the reason you called me here?
Isn't it worth an invite? Jenny told me. Isn't it worth an invite? Oh. Because your plan failed to marry the gold digger. You now think Femi is a piece of furniture kept in the house to be used whenever you so desire, right?
What is wrong with you, Femi? Well, I mean, why are you making a fuss out of this? Haven't you had a failed relationship? I mean, what's this pretense about?
There is no pretense here, Jenny. You are the pretender. And it hurts me that you're pretending. It pisses me off that you're doing this to me. Do I deserve this? You tell me.
You know what? You can go to hell and burn to ashes. Do not ever call my number again. And that's the reason it never worked out between us.
How dare you?
Idiots.
Jenny, how dare you?
Shut up!
What impetus? You talk to me like that? Imagine, you! I will never ever call you again. Don't ever come close to me. You sentimental naive. You can imagine. I do everything to love you. Is it wrong to love? Idiot.
Hello, Ify.
Yes, Mommy.
Nne, how are you?
I'm okay. I'm alive and coping.
Adam, how is your husband?
He's doing fine. He's still in the office.
Okay. Obuna said you'll be coming to the house tomorrow to see the lawyer.
Yes, in connection with the divorce case.
Yes. Please, I would like to see you first before you talk to the lawyer.
Okay. I will.
It's okay, Nne. See you then.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Egodi nwele na dasi Igbo Jesi leba na ejese Igbo Mapotaze kokuki Igbo Chaba ka nzebeze ya kobusi efi Igbo Them they try to play smart Even when the name no be this man But after all the bother budi They can still come life for the mat Ade man naza body shot The guy who could be young number Ade boom on webu As far as he no one is Maybe you get TV Now shaggy DVD Let's say your table On my watch I get a big TV You must collect.
Hey, so Mama, it is good to have a man in the house. Avoid, little boys coming in to be flexing their muscles.
That is true.
It's true. They will see me in action. Once this whole saga dies down, I will build a mansion in this compound.
Oh.
Yeah? What is this? Huh? What have you come to do in my compound? What?
Calm down. Brother, please.
How dare you bring this man in my house?
Please, look at me, please.
I should come for you.
Please, look at me. Just look at me. You said I'm the apple of your eyes, that you love me, that you want my happiness. Mommy. Coco. How are you?
Why are you asking how are you? Eh? Are you looking for accolades? It is sweet. So you want to give her sweets?
I will talk. Sorry. I know that I'm supposed to come here alone to meet with the lawyer for the divorce. Sorry, the divorce for my marriage. But you know that 2 heads are better than 1 head. So I decided to bring Chooks, my husband, so that I can explain to you, my family, why we have decided to stay married forever.
Imagine you.
I'm just... Hey.
I want to sincerely apologize for putting this beautiful family through stress due to my foolishness and stupidity. Mama, Kosi, Obone, from the depth of my heart, I want to say I'm sorry. For years now, I have known this beautiful woman. I have been a good man. I have loved and respected you with all of me. And just when we were about to seal this beautiful relationship, the devil came from nowhere to destroy this beautiful thing we had going. But then you came like an angel from heaven. An angel in disguise to save the situation. And I promise you, I will forever be grateful to have you as a brother.
Don't give me that accolade. I did not ask for it. I didn't ask you to give me accolades, Oga. Now. Your hands were like this. You're sounding like Reverend Father. They're heartless. You are heartless. You were Obi. You were Obi. You were Obi. This man is heartless. I'm sorry. Anyway, stand up. What they will say, you're kneeling before me. Who am I that you're kneeling before me? Thank you. I know you are doing this. I know why you are doing this. Because she disgraced you and even threatened to kill you. That is why you came back to my sister.
No. Far from it. If it was so, I would have accepted the divorce agreement and moved on shamefully. But no. Because I love this beautiful woman with all of my heart. And no other woman can take your place in my heart, I swear. I even had to woo her all over again. It wasn't easy, but I had to.
You took time to woo her, and you too accepted again. Without considering your family, without upon all of us here been running up and down to make sure you are happy. Anyway, you are the one who will live with him as a wife. If you are ready to put up with his barabara buruburu attitude, well, I don't have any problem. Mama, are you seeing this? Huh?
I'm seeing it, my son, and I'm happy.
So you love him, eh? You want to spend the rest of your life with him.
The heart wants what the heart wants. See, I told you now that I deleted him from my heart. I tried, but he did not delete. He's still there. He's in my veins. He's inside my body. There is nothing I can do about it. That's why we have reconciled and we wish to live together happily ever after as husband and wife. And I'm serious. It's not like...
So since you said he's your choice and you can put up with all this barabara, no problem. You guys sit down. Thank you.
Nemo. What? 2 months pregnant. Hey!
Congratulations. Congrats.
How about you?
Nemo.
So you have opened your legs, sawaba, for chicks. Eh?
I am his wife. He's my husband.
Chukudimba.
Who's there? Come in.
Now welcome.
You're welcome. You can sit wherever you like. Oh. Thank you. You're surprised, yeah?
Well, I'm surprised. To be honest, I am very, very surprised.
So, your delay made everything possible because it turns to be a blessing in disguise.
Yes, sir.
So, my sister and Chooks have decided to remain married. That's what we saw today.
Wow. This is indeed a big surprise. As a matter of fact, I will humbly seek for your permission to let me break out of the circuit of my professional ethics to kind of express my feelings, because this is what I have secretly wished for all this while, to be honest. Yes.
As a divorce lawyer.
So that's why you delayed the whole process, huh?
No. It's as a result of some unforeseen circumstances that were beyond my navigations, to be honest. Even though I'm happy this happened this way to me.
Well, it has happened. So, well, Chooks. The man here did come before go bonne.
Try could call the
Because he was a corner di cabo buffet babia.
That is it.
If you go to the market and price goods, you will buy. And if you buy, you will pay. And if you pay, you must collect.
Try call the
You have decided that my sister will be your wife for the rest of your life. One. I've been go Singapore, where we sing and pour and do things to the core. If you were the breeze small, you felt it or where? If you try ma banyagi Singaporean TV with a big DVD. Man, afuziagi na big TV. Go inside the room. Prepare for now. Bring your champagne.
Okay, brother.
God, there is nothing you cannot do. Yes, sir. Tell me that thing that you cannot do does not exist. It does not exist. Oh, true love never dies. True love. Oh, true love never dies. True love, God. It came back to me.
You must collect. You must collect. We run things here. You must collect. I just came back from Singapore, baby. You must collect. You must collect. You must collect. Ego di mwele na dazibo. Jesi lebane jese zibo. Mapotaze kokukibo. Chaba kanzepeze ya kopusi efibo. Them they try to play smart, even when the name no be this man. But after all the bother with they go still come life for the mat. I dey man as I'm on the short. The guy could be young number. I dey boom on way as far as